Lesson: Transparency and Explainability. Transparency and explainability in artificial intelligence are essential components of ethical AI development and deployment. These principles are crucial for ensuring that AI systems operate in a manner that is understandable, predictable, and accountable, which in turn fosters trust among users and stakeholders. The need for transparency and explainability in AI is underscored by numerous real-world challenges, such as algorithmic bias, decision-making opacity, and the potential for AI to cause unintentional harm. This lesson delves into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement to enhance transparency and explainability in AI. A foundational element of transparency in AI is the ability to understand the inner workings of AI systems. This involves making the data, algorithms, and processes employed by AI systems accessible and comprehensible to stakeholders. One practical tool that can aid in achieving this is the use of model cards, which are standardized documents detailing the characteristics, intended uses, and limitations of AI models. Model cards help users understand the conditions under which an AI model can be expected to perform well and the scenarios where it may fail, thus promoting informed use and reducing the risk of misuse. Explainability, on the other hand, refers to the extent to which an AI system's decisions can be understood by humans. A prominent framework for enhancing explainability is the SHAP framework. SHAP values provide a unified measure of feature importance by attributing the change in the model's prediction to each feature, thereby offering insights into how features contribute to a particular decision. This approach helps demystify the decision-making process of complex models, such as deep neural networks, making them more transparent to users. The interplay between transparency and explainability is exemplified in the healthcare sector, where AI is increasingly utilized for diagnostic and treatment recommendations. A case study involving the use of AI for predicting patient readmissions demonstrated the importance of these principles. Researchers found that clinicians were more likely to trust and act upon AI-generated predictions when the underlying model's features and decision pathways were clearly explained. By employing interpretable machine learning models, such as decision trees or linear models, alongside more complex models, healthcare providers were able to achieve a balance between performance and interpretability, thus enhancing trust and facilitating better clinical outcomes. In terms of actionable insights, AI practitioners can adopt several strategies to promote transparency and explainability in their projects. First, incorporating transparency and explainability as core objectives in the AI development lifecycle is crucial. This involves setting clear goals for transparency and explainability at the outset of a project and evaluating models based on these criteria throughout the development process. Secondly, engaging diverse stakeholders, including domain experts and end users, in the model development and validation process can provide valuable perspectives that enhance the model's relevance and trustworthiness. Moreover, practical tools such as LIME can be employed to generate interpretable explanations for any classifier. LIME works by approximating the AI model locally with an interpretable model, thereby providing human-understandable explanations for individual predictions. This tool is particularly useful for explaining predictions in complex models like ensemble methods or neural networks, where transparency might otherwise be limited. The financial industry provides another illustrative example of the application of transparency and explainability frameworks. Financial institutions have increasingly adopted AI to assess creditworthiness and detect fraudulent activities. However, the black box nature of many AI models poses challenges in ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements for explainability. By leveraging explainability tools such as SHAP and LIME, financial institutions can generate understandable reports of model decisions, facilitating compliance with regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, which mandates that individuals receive meaningful information about the logic involved in automated decision-making. In addition to these tools and frameworks, fostering a culture of transparency within organizations is critical. This can be achieved by establishing clear guidelines and best practices for documenting AI systems, such as maintaining comprehensive records of data sources, model architectures, and decision rationales. Encouraging open communication and collaboration across interdisciplinary teams can also contribute to a more transparent AI development environment. Furthermore, education and training play pivotal roles in enhancing transparency and explainability. Professionals involved in AI development should be equipped with the skills to understand and implement transparency and explainability techniques. Workshops, seminars, and continuous professional development programs focused on these topics can help build a workforce that is adept at navigating the complexities of AI ethics and governance. To illustrate the effectiveness of transparency and explainability in real-world applications, a study conducted by the Partnership on AI demonstrated that organizations that prioritize these principles experience increased trust from stakeholders and improved alignment between AI systems and ethical guidelines. This underscores the importance of embedding transparency and explainability into the core values of AI development and deployment. In conclusion, transparency and explainability are indispensable components of ethical AI systems. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks such as model cards, SHAP, and LIME, and by fostering a culture of transparency, professionals can address real-world challenges and enhance the trustworthiness of AI systems. It is imperative that AI practitioners prioritize these principles throughout the AI lifecycle, ensuring that AI technologies are not only powerful, but also ethical and accountable. As AI continues to permeate various sectors, the commitment to transparency and explainability will be crucial in shaping a future where AI acts in harmony with human values and societal norms.